Education PGTRB Practice Paper 2. According to Guilford, creative thinkers will have divergent thinking. Interest attitude scale was introduced by Pressey, which helps to disseminate information to large number of people is mass media. Which one of the following is very essential in counseling? Follow up. Who told that education as continuous reconstruction of experiences? By John Dewey. Prime Minister who introduced the new education policy in 1986 was Rajiv Gandhi. Which of the following insists that primary education up to age 14 is compulsory in India? Indian Constitution. Personality develops by both A and B, heredity and environment. Who told that real soul of the religion lies on the hearts of the people? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The inventor of Gurukula system of education was Aryas. Main objective of educational technology is all of the above. Enrich teaching, developing learning skill among the students, attract the attention of the students, all of the above. Child-based education concept was first advocated by Rousseau. Recent concept development in the developed countries is deschooling society. In Tamil Nadu, SCERT is located at Chennai. Oracle and Java are computer software. Total freedom in education is the philosophy of J. Krishnamurti. Agency which helps to improve the quality of education in state level is SCERT. Main barrier to educational innovations is conservative mentality. Teaching method followed in the Gurukula system of education is one-way method. Device which is used to find out the achievement of students is all of this: quiz program, objective test, continuous assessment, all of the above. Winnicott plan is used to rank B. students. Country which provides education to large number of people by distance education is China. The concept of advocated by Ivan Illich is A. Deschooling society. Varda education plan emphasized vocational education. It is vocational education. Students' unrest are because of unsolved problems. Father of innovative educational method is Francis Parker. The founder of the school is J. Krishnamurti. Kothari Educational Commission was organized in 1964 to 66. Dash were annexed with the secondary schools in the school complexes plan is primary schools. To provide education by distance education organization mostly depends on all of the above: television, radio, correspondence, course materials. Organization that controls the Navodaya school in India is CBSE. Dash is the important factor to improve the quality of education, appointing skilled and quality teachers. The university named after Thiruvalluvar is located at Vellore. Which organization monitors the activities of universities in India? UGC. Which one of the following is called as Learning Resource Center? Library. Dash is called as Centers of Excellence. Navodaya School. Major benefit of autonomy to the educational institution is all of the above. Mobile schools were founded by McDonald. Floating University is known as SS Universe. Dalton Plan was the brainchild of Helen Forrest. Jean Piaget is the founder of theory of cognitive development. The objective of National Educational Plan is all of the above. Main objective for the introduction of uniforms among the students is equality among the student. Primary schools should be established within dash miles from the child's residence, 3 miles. Prospects is the journal published by UNESCO. Education which helps to understand world nations each other is education on international understanding. Modernization of education means all of the above. Non-formal education system mostly depends on media. Challenge of education. A policy perspective is related to national education policy. Which of the following organization helps to develop the teacher education in India? Is NCTE. Thank you for watching. Thank you.